Okay, get the hair in a chongo and get ready for some wind.
You're going to get your hair in your
I'm going to do
chongo.
that. My rat tail in the back that you'll never
Absolutely.
see is going to be.
You'll see him in a chongo the next hour.
I'm going to braid it and yeah, put a knot on it.
Okay, yeah, it is going to be windy out there. That's for sure. We're already starting to see the flag blow a little bit. Now, right now, our wind only sustained out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour. It's only going to get worse. Your current temperature is 75 degrees. As you're headed out the door, we do have to watch out for a few little spotty showers. You'll see those here coming up through Aransas County into portions of Farragut County, as well as near Baffin Bay this morning. These are drifting from the southeast toward the northwest, but it's very spotty, very light for the most part. A brief little moderate pocket of rainfall is possible. What's happening is this is moisture coming up in between this area of low and high pressure. This is our next storm system. Now, this cold front, don't get excited about it. It's not coming to South Texas, but we are going to be windy in between these two areas. You can see the strongest wind really setting up across the plains. These watches and warnings in place include fire weather warnings, high wind warnings, and wind advisories across much of the plain states. There is winter storm warning, by the way, for portions of the Rocky Mountains, especially into Wyoming. If you want to cool down, that's your cool thought of the day. Small craft advisory for us, so our wind is strong enough for the water to become a bit hazardous, so use caution, mariners. That's going to last all the way through 7 a.m. Wind speed forecast, this is your sustained wind. We're getting up to near 25 miles per hour, particularly between 2 and 4 p.m. Those gusts could reach 35 miles per hour pretty easily into this afternoon. Again, that's because of this setup between this low and high pressure. Now, the low isn't going to dig quite far south enough. It is far south enough for us here locally to see much of a change in our weather, but you do see the moisture coming up between the low and the high. That's why we have an opportunity of rainfall today as we head into the afternoon. Rain clears out and it looks like it kind of shifts a little bit more toward Houston on Wednesday. So we may get a break in any opportunity of rain on Wednesday with some sunshine peeking through even. This is the cold front. It near South Texas. We get a decent shot of rain, it looks like, on Halloween, which only happens 21% of the time. So this is a fairly rare event for the coastal bend. We see that opportunity of rain by trick-or-treating time. Rain chances are trending down, but there's still a chance. We'll be keeping a close eye on. Then that front lifts north and we start to see the rain lifting north as well. So here's your latest Halloween forecast. 5 p.m. So any early trick-or-treating or early Halloween events do have a chance for some rain. Then we start to clear conditions out as the sun goes down. And your 7-day forecast, Thursday is our best shot of rain. 50% chance of rain there. Could reach 90 again on Wednesday. That would break the record, by the way. We'll talk more about how hot it's been this month coming up during the next half hour. John Thomas.